Mason, don't spit on yourself. You just spit on yourself.
I actually put my mouth and I turned on the door.
Oh no. That's no bueno. Alright, here goes Mario. Here goes Daddy. Watch. Woo!
Hi, Judy Man.
Mason, that's enough. No spitting. Don't lean on that. Do not lean on that. You will fall over. Stand back. Thank you. She's got my hand, that's all. She's just got my hand. Here goes Melissa. It doesn't look like she's going very fast to me.
Well, hi.
No.